Well, we're here. This is where we're gonna set up camp for this weekend. So now I guess we gotta find some flat ground and go from there.
Oh boy! There we go.
Who's a good boy? What do you got? What'd you find? Found a big bone, eh? Holy man. Finally. So we got 2 regulators now because I've got 2 of these New Way stoves. I did end up buying the bigger model for this winter. So the smaller one that I had, which was the biggest they had at the time, was a 28,000 BTU model 4000, and this is New Way stove, so nuway.org I think it is. Anyways, I got the model 4300, which is 40,000 BTU for this winter, so I'm gonna give that a try. So this is the new one. It has 3 burners on it. Inside you can see it's got 3 16-inch burners. Alright, so we're pretty well set up. It's getting pretty dark out now. Or in here it's getting dark because it's getting darker out there. So I do have a light on, but I want to get this stove running. Just want to burn it, make sure it doesn't smell, maybe burn the glue off the pipes, the fresh glue from the tape, and just make sure it's ready for tonight when the temperature really starts to drop. So I have a much more official, well, I can't see, there we go, gas detector. Those of you that have watched my channel, you know the process. This is a thing. Okay, so now it shows it's ready to go. And again, I will do the old lighter test. Just so you can see, like, right away. Right away. Good boy, it's okay, everything's fine. Did you come see what's going on? Good boy, yeah, everything's fine. So far so good. So now we're going to light the stove. That is on. All 3 burners going. Hey, bud. It's hot, eh? And it looks like we are leak-free. Absolutely nothing being read here, so. Somebody's shooting. What a gorgeous evening. Good boy. Wow. Good boy, eh? Oh. There, we got enough. We got enough to make a nice fire. This is a nice dry piece. There we go. Birch, you getting a little close or what? What was she growling at?
I don't know.
She was over there.
She was over there.
What are you growling at, Nika? What are you looking at?
Her hair's raised too.
Yeah. Hey? What's over there? Still growing. A little fish. Make them move. Throw something in there. Your light's way brighter than mine, eh?
Well, he
Didn't move. Maybe he's sleeping. That's okay, I got him. Oh, there he moved. We are inside for the night in the RBM Pentagon. It's got lots of room. We need a better cot system, but yeah, we got the New Way stove going, and It's on as low as it can go and it's hot in here. I did have it kicked up though. I had all three going full for about a minute just to take the chill out of here. And it definitely did that, so. Dogs are getting comfy. And now I think I'm gonna set up the projector and start a movie or something. So it's been a long day. Alright everyone, it's movie time. This is the new projector, so obviously the screen quality is a lot better than the other ones I was using. So we'll see you in the morning. Morning everyone. Well, it's windy and it's overcast and it's a bit cold. Had to turn the stove off last night. It was too hot in there and I had it on the lowest it would go, so that's a good sign. It's only, I think it was only getting down to 3 degrees anyways last night, so it wasn't going to be that bad. But we're up, dogs are out, fed, watered, emptied, and now it's time to have breakfast and see what we're gonna do today. What are you having this morning?
Probably tea.
Go, bud. Hey, what are you doing?
Checking things out.
Just checking things out, eh? Oh, that's where you're gonna sit, is it? Alright then. Alrighty then, huh? There's a got. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. What you doing, bud? You chewing on the box? Yeah.
We decided to go a little simpler for breakfast.
Yeah. Yogurt and granola. Easy breakfast. Well, it's still pretty miserable outside. But I think after we eat, we're gonna have to suck it up. Go find some more wood, make fire. What you got? You got cardboard stuck in the roof of your mouth? Yeah, it's going any variation of that way, so I think that'll be fine. I'll just put my butt beside you here.
Hey.
Alright, well we're taking the dogs for a bit of a walk here. They need to burn off some energy, so
Down.
here we go. Crazy. There's that winter where we took them in the winter there for a run on that new logging road. We'll check that out. Hey, there's some wood.
I told you there's 2 chunks here last time. But I wasn't carrying them.
Pretty gloomy day. Oops.
Yeah.
Pretty gloomy day.
Look at the tamaracks are like yellow.
Yeah, they are.
Copper, kind of.
It is fall. This stuff looks good. There's a nice big one back there.
I know. I don't know if I'd be able to pull it out.
Oh, this is dead. This is nice and dry. We got to come back and get this one. I think we're going to bring the truck back.
Might get it started.
Yeah. Well, we got a whole bunch of wood processed. Got an all-day fire kind of thing going on. Got our camp chair set up. The truck there to kind of help block the wind because it's stupid windy right now. And yeah, having a nice little fire here. Where's my boy? Hey, good boy. Oh, baby girl, we got some hunters out here shooting. So she's under there, shivering. Somebody over there, Birch? Going old school this trip, eh? Nothing fancy.
This way you want it?
Yep, sure. Oh yeah. Oh. Come here. Sit. Sit. Oh, they're spicy.
Well, it's Italian, so they are gonna have.
It's good. I like it. Alright, it's time to get some soup on the go. So we got a homemade frozen turkey soup. It's pretty thawed now. Still ice in the middle. Frozen veggie pack. Pre-cut up onions, carrots, and celery. Hey Birch, you want some of this? Think so? There we go. We got pre-mixed spices. And we got barley. Oh yeah, I guess I could close that door, eh? There we go. Okay. Oh, Birch, you're gonna have to stay away. Yeah, you are. No, no, no. Hey, get your face out of there. Okay, look out. Look out. Hey, that's hot. Don't want to go too fast, too quick here. There's still some frozen chunks, so whoops, it's not a good idea. Just try and make sure the heat doesn't get this fuel can. Hey. So we got the soup going. Birch just went to meet the neighbors who are out here fishing. So we just met Sean. And he's got 4 kids and a camper, and his camping season ended. So we got talking about hot tenting and stuff like that. And anyways, he said once he gets into self-service, he's gonna give us a follow, so that's awesome. Soup's going. Just gotta wait for it to warm up, and then I think we're eating this out of our cups.
Yes.
Our tin cups. Okay. Yeah. So that's it.
To raise that one up.
Yeah. Hey Birch, having supper. Nice fire. We're just about to have supper, and the sun came out. Not for long. It's gonna go away soon. But it's out right now.
Oh, do you want salt and pepper?
Nope. I'm good with just this.
Boy, it didn't work that way.
Well, all that's left to do is watch the fire for a while. We're gonna cook up some Jiffy Pop and go in and watch a movie once we're out of wood. Pretty good day. It was pretty cold for most of it, windy, overcast, but Tonight is nice. Clear sky, so the temperature's going to drop pretty quick. But yeah, overall pretty good day. Good night, everyone. Morning, everyone. Well, Sunday morning, time to make coffee and pack up. Okay, everyone. Well, we are done. It started raining just as soon as we put out the camp chairs this morning to try and have coffee. So it's been raining ever since. Everything is wet. We don't care. We got to hang it up to dry anyways at home. But camp's taken down, truck's loaded, and we're out of here.
There's a dry footprint over here.
Yeah, one dry patch where the tent was, right there. So, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.